Baby, you, do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? I'm just tryna get to know ya, get a little closer, baby, post up. Ooh, do you mind? 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 Girl, we've been right here thinking about it all night. Baby, you should be up in my bed.
Hi sweets, how y'all babies doing today? So we went pastel, you know, first we went blonde and we took it to pink, you know, Barbie vibes, but not really. But if you'd like to find out the lowdown on this hair, then keep on watching. So I want to start from the top because I want to give you guys a full rundown, because I know you're probably like hella skeptical about buying wigs off Amazon, and truth be told, I was too, but you know, we go through this together. So it came in this package, you know, Amazon Smile, and it did come with Prime shipping, so that's great news. You know, 2 days to slay. You only gotta wait 2 days to slay. And then the hair is packaged like this in this really black, sleek black Ziploc bag. You know, Ziplocs can be sleek. It has the Charisma branding on it. And then in the package, you get your wig in another Ziploc bag. You get an information booklet telling you how to care for the hair and all of that niceness. And you get 2 wig caps. And I was really excited about getting wig caps just because I only own like one. And I can never find it when I'm doing wig reviews. So I'm really excited. The color isn't really my complexion. But that ain't nothing a little foundation can't fix. And that fell. So that is the packaging. Alright guys, let's get into the details of the wig. So this is the wig straight out of the packaging. I would say this is maybe 24 to 28 inches. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll leave the link in the description bar for you guys to see all the details of the Amazon site. Now the hair is frizzy, especially by the hairline here. It's super frizzy. But it feels so good, y'all. Like, it doesn't feel like plastic. And it looks shiny on camera, but it really isn't that shiny in real life. It's not shiny at all in real life, actually. It looks like weave, like real weave. So let me show you guys the construction of it. So it does come with lace all around the front, and as you can see, it has this little parting here. This is soft lace, guys, so you don't have to worry about that. It comes with 2 combs at either ends of the parting section. It comes with a cone at the back of the parting section right here. And it comes with adjustable straps at the back, so there's no comb at the back. So I slapped the wig on real quick just so I could show you the hairline properly straight out of the packaging. And it has about 1.5 inches of lace, and that's what it looks like. No, I don't think that's terrible, considering that it's under $40. I do think it might need some tweezing just to make it look that much more natural, but I think for what it is, it comes pretty good. You do get in the middle about 3.5 to 4 inches of parting space, so you can give yourself a middle part. I mean, you couldn't give yourself a side part because that extension only comes in the center there, so there isn't much parting options. But for $40, guys, ho-ho! That hairline is fleeky for 40 bucks. So this is it after I've tweezed the hairline and the parting. I think Isabella's coming together. This much hair came out when I combed through from all of the plucking that I did, which I don't think is that much, to be honest. I don't think the hairline is going to be like, ooh, she dyed her hair pink, but I think it'll look natural enough. So now we're going to take this off, see where we at. Well, my edges are laid for the most part. The sides here are just like, I want to be tied down, but I don't want to be tied down. You know that nigga that tell you he want you to be his girlfriend, but don't really want you to be his girlfriend because he don't want to be your boyfriend because it's like that right now. But anyways, this is the wig. I'm just going to comb through it with my brush a little. And I'm just combing through it. And I'm getting a lot of loose hairs because I did tweeze the hairline and the parting. I mean, before I was getting like 1 and 2 strands, so it does shed regardless. But of course, it's worse now. But it's not terrible. Alright guys, so this is the wig. I added a little powder to the parting. And, I mean, you can tell, like, I'm hella disappointed by this wig. Like, I just didn't anticipate it would look like this. But let me show you it. So this is where it lays on me, right by my navel. It does tangle quite a bit. Let me put it to the back and show you guys real quick. So this is the hairline. My glue is not sticking like at all. So forgive me. It's just like after all that work. So that's the hairline. That's what it looks like. This was a fail. Full stop. Like, that's all. There's nothing more to say. This was a fail. Like, I'm pretty sure you could finesse this wig, but for me, it's just a definite no-go. I don't know if maybe it's the color on my skin tone that I'm not feeling. Nah, because when I just put it on, I was like, I don't know. I just don't like it. I just don't like it. It looks super... It looks like a Halloween wig right now. Like, that's how it looks to me. Like, I went to a Halloween store. It's Friday the 13th, and I'm playing dress up. Like, that's what it looks like. It doesn't look sleek. It doesn't look... Ooh, it doesn't look melanated. Yes, who says black girls can't wear pink and black? Like, it ain't giving me no form of life. Like, so alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. You know, if you've been seeing this wig all over, or you saw it on Amazon and you were considering buying it, that, you know, I helped in any way. I don't even know. Like, I can't even say, like, go buy this wig. Like, I be lying, because I just don't know, y'all. I don't know what to say. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next upload. Bye.
Now we're done.
Well, if you wanna see more videos from me, be sure to click the link here, and this bad boy here. And if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe here. You can also follow me on social media. My handles will be here. Thank you guys. Bye.